welcome again, YouTube friends, and now welcome to another Let's Play. The Sleeping Dogs Let's Play, and I'm just in my house here, which is at the fish market here. Sorry, but I'm at the fish market here, and I've got a golden gun here, and I'll maybe just start this game all over again and see if this video loads up. But okay, just go there. Just go to quit menu and just go on to new game and click yes, and that's us starting a new game now. And I'm going to shut up so you can hear this.
收到啊！咩啊？多錢？
搞錯嘅，帶住咁大把刀嘅。
明白。
情報話目標係冷邊個揾你啊？
清楚。OK，各單位準備，我睇實佢。
你捉個 Wei Shen 先好啊！
幾張嘢
I'm not fucking blind.
Relax, old boy. We're on the same side, remember?
條友都幾串喎。喂，有冇貨？
Yeah, you got the money?
喂，情報有邊？
咩啊？
有個碼頭警衛，佢由後面上緊嚟啊！
揾人截住佢啦！
冇可能，我哋呢度太遠啦路。
細路唔好亂嚟啊！
Look, I can get you 3-4 keys a week if you want.
睇下點。
What? My shit's not good enough for you?
喂，兩個識咩事啊？
咩啊？邊撚個你？
停手！咪喐！
Calm, my friend. Just relax. Maybe we can sort something out, huh?
你兇我啊！你知唔知我係邊個啊？
再伙計唔好俾佢走得啦！截住佢！
好傷我啊！Fucking hell! Don't do it, man! Don't do it!
香港警察，我揾你啊！
Let's go! Let's go!
Sorry, my phone just went wrong. And I'm actually chasing this guy for the fish and that guts. Let's do some free running over water. Jump down here. Going over crates a little bit. And banana table. Climb this. Just just punched that guy in the face. He's still running. Son of a bitch. Oh no. So we're in the kitchen. So now here's a corpse here. And running away from the corpse. Jump. Oh, just got caught by the police again. There's your friend Jackie there. That's your friend Jackie who dies in the video, who says in the game, who says you need, like what I said, you need to collect the trucks.
Fuck you. 15 years of dude. We're not kids anymore.
Whatever, man. Ask anyone. Jackie Ma still looks good.
Jackie Ma is still the same. Good to see you.
What, they finally deport your ass from the United States?
Mutual. Tell him I came home anyway.
Yeah, locked up. Home sweet home. So what they get you on?
Nothing at stake.
Well, don't let them pin any extra shit on you.
Fuckers will try, let me tell you.
I stay here from old prosperity. Happens all the time.
Hey, so you still in touch with any of the guys from there?
Few, you know, we kind of go their separate ways, but you remember Winston? He's moved all the way up to Redpole in the Sun On Yi. Got a couple of things going with him right now, matter of fact.
Huh. Red Bull and the Sun on you. Shit, y'all guys always said you'd be running that neighborhood.
Oh, Dog Eyes is a Redpole too. Still a total punk guy. The one who got Winston in. We were pretty tight back then, but now, hey, what's Dog Eyes saying? Your sister.
It's a long time ago.
Hey, do you remember when we were kids and you stabbed Dog Eyes with a pen? You totally saved my ass that day. Oh man, I gotta tell Winston that story. He's fucking love it. Man, Wade and Shen in the flesh. Can't believe it.
Jackie Ma! Looks like I'm out of here. Hey, Jack. So look, you and Winston ever need help with any of that shit you got going on with you?
Of course, man. Look me up when you get out. Just be like old times.
So that was you in jail in the United States with Jackie. And this is one of the guys you work for the police as well.
It seems that the
Undercover.
evidence against you has failed to appear. How do you explain that? You must be a very dangerous man, Wei Shen. That is exactly what you want people to think. I trust that my men weren't too rough on you, officer.
Might ask them the same question, sir. You guys are out of shape. It paid off. I made contact with Jackie Ma. I'm in.
But what? Use him to get close to Winston Chu. Do whatever it takes. Raymond here will be your handler. You report everything through him.
Our intel suggests that Winston is looking for muscle. You need to find a way to make him trust you.
Done.
Not in Hong Kong. American gangs, even Asian ones, don't compare to the Triad team. Sun On Yi is the most powerful
Look,
gang.
Raymond. Your name is Raymond, right?
Yes.
I grew up with these guys. I know who they are, what they are. All the intel reports in the world won't give you that.
We want the Red Bull, the lieutenants like Winston, all of them. Most of them. Dragon.
Candidly, Wei, previous attempts to get close to him haven't. And, we don't have much to go on. That's why you're here. I'm hoping that you can bring something more to our investigation. Raymond will be in touch. Oh, and Wei, good luck out there.
extreme stress maybe for a very long time. Now, I'm not sure he has the discipline to hold up. According to the file, he has a history of extreme behavior.
Yes. An astonishing number of convictions.
He obviously blames the twice for what happened to his family. It can turn into a dinner.
Raymond, Wei Shen is perfect in his job.
Okay, I'm going to stop it there now, and I'll just let you watch this just now.
By the way, you know I tried looking you up a few years back, but I couldn't find shit. Do you have internet in America?
I think they're getting it next year.
Guess you were in prison or something. Come on, let's get out of here.
So I'm going to stop it there now, and next time I'm going to make another video with me further in the game. I'm going to be I'll maybe play a couple of missions tonight, and you maybe see me further, but I'm going to leave you with that first part. and later you maybe see Grand Theft Auto videos. So yeah, thanks for watching, and catch you guys later. And I'm sorry about this phone. You might miss stuff, but because my phone kept falling off the stand it was on. So, like what I said, thanks for watching, and catch you later.